While purchasing the best stockpiling water heaters, the excellent thought we as a whole search for is capacity. Other than that, power utilization, looks, and brand esteem assume a significant part. Assuming you are searching for the best stockpiling water heaters, some notable electronic machine brands have a few dependable models in the market that come at alluring costs and a heap of cutting-edge highlights. Besides, these won't simply settle the fundamental motivation behind warming and putting away water, however, can likewise increase the value of your restrooms. So let's get everything rolling and partake in this video. Number 1. SKYWOT Immersion Water Heater. The heating time and heating temperature can be set freely. After waiting, the controller will complete your settings and automatically disconnect the power to stop heating to avoid fire. Remember, the heating time should not exceed 3 hours. It is easy to overheat and burn out the controller. The heater must be completely immersed in water under working conditions. Before touching the water with your hands, please unplug the power plug first, and then take out the water heater. Please do not use it continuously for more than 3 hours. The electric immersion heater can be used in water. Pool heaters for above-ground pools fit for bucket, basin, bathtub, mini inflatable swimming pool, etc. The immersion water heater has a rated power of 2000 W, which can quickly heat 5 gallons of water. The protective case is made of high-quality stainless steel and has a porous design with good thermal conductivity. Place the pool water heater into water designed to contain boiling water. Fill the container with water to full cover the submersible bucket heater. Plug portable water heater into a properly grounded 120 volts AC outlet. Make sure the portable immersion heater is on. Make the pool warmer in a few minutes. Number 2. 2000 W Immersion Water Heater. The immersion electric heater has a 304 stainless steel cover to prevent the heating element from directly contacting people and causing burns. The annular heating tube is much longer than other products, which means that the surface load tube is smaller, so it is safer and more durable. Portable design, you can enjoy hot water anytime and anywhere. The electric water heater has a power of 2000 W and a voltage of 110 to 125 volts. It will quickly heat 5 gallons of water with high power in a few minutes, and it will take about 30 minutes to heat the water to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, longer in winter. Immersed electric water heaters can be used for different size containers such as barrels, basins, bathtubs, sinks, etc. Different from ordinary bucket heaters, this water heater is lighter and smaller in appearance, and is very suitable for concrete work, farm, car snow removal, wallpaper, winter washing, camping, travel, etc. Number 3. ODA USI Immersion Water Heater. Electric immersion heating elements can be used in water, especially suitable for heating water in large containers such as buckets, basins, bathtubs, mini inflatable swimming pools, etc. This immersion heater is lightweight and ultra-light, making it ideal for travel and road trips. The heater and the entire yellow plastic protective cover part must be completely immersed in water under working conditions. When you need to use more than 2 water heaters at the same time, please do not plug the 2 water heaters into the same socket to avoid excessive load. We provide 12-month warranty and 24-hour professional after-sales service. If the product received is inconsistent with the product description due to other reasons, we provide free replacement. Please contact us for help. The submersible electric heater makes the water heating more efficient. Boil 5 gallons of water in a few minutes. Just put the heater in the water, and then connect the 120 volts power supply, easy to use. Use high-quality copper wire to carry more electricity. Use ABS shell and rust-proof stainless steel protection. Effectively prevent the heating element from direct contact with the human body, safer use, and reduce accidents. We use rigorously tested high-performance heating elements with a use time of more than 10,000 hours. The structure is sturdy and the workmanship is fine to ensure high quality, durability and reusability.